Welcome back. Todd Duvall here again with yet another monthly update. This is for July 2023. Some interesting things out here right now that's going on, and some stuff you probably can figure out. Again, this is for the Charlotte region. Show you that little picture right here. There's those other areas, but this is primarily the area that I cover and I know most about, so I just like choosing this one. So let's just jump right in. Okay, for new listings, we have 3,535 new listings in the month of July. That's down quite a bit. I don't know how much further it's going to go down. It was over 4,000 last month. But without those listings, you can see the problem right there. We've got a tremendous supply issue. Still got a bunch of buyers out there, and we don't have the houses to sell. Here's a good point. Closed sales. Closed sales for the month of July was on 2,587. That's also a lot lower than it was last month. Big dip. Now, what does this mean? What we've been saying all along. It is a supply issue, at least here in Charlotte. I know there's other places that might not be doing as well. Could be doing backwards a little bit, but Charlotte right now, this is what we're doing. This is where we're at. And let's just jump into the days on market. That's going to give you a good indication of where we are in the, where we are with the seller's market versus buyer's market. The next number is going to be a bigger tell, but this one, it's only 7 days. So every listing, the median time on the market is 7 days, and it's gone. Now, there may be some that say that they're a lot longer, and there could be a couple of things that are wrong with it. It could be condition, could be overpriced, could be location. Those are going to be anomalies, but 7 is a really low number, and that's unchanged from last month. So 7 days, that's really low. You go all the way back to February of this year, and it was 29 days. We have dropped off a cliff. So that's where we are right now. We have gotten our days on market have dropped considerably. No, and you can look above you, the new listings and their sales. We don't see that changing anytime soon. Could get a little worse. Now, month supply, this goes to where, if you have 4 to 6 months of inventory, that's a balanced market. Buyers and sellers, they stay on the market about 35, 40, 45 days. But we have 1.5 months of supply. Again, unchanged from last month. So, what does that mean? Next month, for August, I think things will probably cool down just a little bit, but we'll see. But with that short of a month's supply, again, all these numbers you've seen so far, it just points to a supply issue. Now, here is an interesting one that I'm throwing in this time just because I've done it before, but this may make a little difference to you. And this is the percent of listing price to sold. Let's say it's listed for $400,000, it sells for $395. That's what we're talking about. So right now in the month of July, the list price or the sold price versus list price versus sold price is 100%. So as a median, we're not seeing any homes being reduced in that regard. So that just means we're back into a strong market. Back in December of 2022, people were paying 95.4% of list price to close it. So we've jumped, and that's a significant jump. That's what, 4.6%? That's a pretty big jump. That's a really big jump. So, or drop, if you will. Well, it's a jump because we're going up. So that's an indicator that market is healthy, and that these homes are being listed pretty appropriately for the price. Now, obviously, there's going to be some way less and some way more, but for the median, that's where we're at right now. And now for the biggie, the big kahuna is sales price. And every year until this year, we have peaked at June and started dropping in July. That hadn't happened this year. Now that's every single year. I'm not talking about 20, 21, and 22. I'm talking about all the way back to 2004. June is the peak month, and then the prices drop down a little bit. And we'll probably see that next month, because if you remember way back in March, or usually February, prices start coming back up after they start dropping in June. This year it was March, so maybe we just shifted a month. So March the pricing started coming back up, and now we're in July and the prices are still increasing. And that price is $410,000. That's the median sales price of homes in Charlotte. Now that's all homes. That's traditional sales and single family residence, not condos, not townhomes or anything like that. And you know, I didn't specify bedrooms or anything else, so that's the price point. I may break down, if you can give me a comment down here and let me know if you want me to break down price areas and put the price in there that you want to see, like the range, what's going the fastest, because believe it or not, prices like in the 700,000 and 800,000s, they're still on the market less than that. So hit me up and let me know exactly what you want to know about that. So there we are. Try to make it quick. We are in the heat of it right now. Now things may start cooling off because you can see these listings are going, or they're dropping. So we may have a little problem with that in the future. More supply issue though. That could affect price. That's going to affect everything, is our supply. So that's my 2 cents. Actually, that's the facts. Straight up, that's what's going on here in the big city of Charlotte region area. Got any questions? You can DM me. Put any comments down there, any questions or anything you have that you want to know about. I'm happy to answer it for you. So have a great day, and we'll see you soon.